In a vibrant ceremony at Nongsder playground, the Dorbar Shnong Nongsder felicitated newly elected Shillong MP Dr. Ricky Singkon. The event also honored Kamoin Walang and Wanda Shisha Daukhait for their marathon victories at the first Pan-India Federation Cup National Masters Games 2024 held in Telangana. The athletes will represent India at the 13th Pacific Masters Games 2024 in Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia this November. In his speech, Dr. Singkon expressed gratitude to the public for their support in the recent elections.
Baga sensar kadar kanong kapakentang